This is what a New Hampshire Liberty Forum looks like. And this is what you'll look like if you miss it. FreeStateProject.org/Liberty Forum. FreeStateProject.org/Liberty Forum.
What we're going to do is we're going to tell the truth. And
his name is Mike. He's a long-time Keene, New Hampshire resident. He runs a street ministry there called Hope Chapel. And around 2009 he became involved with area Free Staters when they helped fix up his church. His liberty issue is what he calls the Big Pig, a wasteful new jail that's going into service at Cheshire County. Appearing on Free Talk Live, January 16th, he outlines what he wants to do about it.
Right, you know, what happens when you feed a pig? Obviously it gets bigger. Well, we've started a movement up here in Keene, New Hampshire, where we decided we're just not going to feed the pig. And the pig is going to get smaller, and how we're doing it is the thieves, the government thieves, are not going to be able to steal your property. What we're going to do is we're going to withhold a portion of our property taxes. We're going to get it notarized and specified. So therefore, say our tax bill was $10,000, for example, and we're going to withhold $400 of it. We're going to put it in escrow. The state, the government parasites, and in this case the county parasites, have to give us an itemized deduction of the county bill. As a matter of fact, we're going after the jail. We've decided that we're going to withhold our money from this new jail, which is preposterous. So therefore, say it's $400, for example, and we have 1,000 of the people, liberty-minded people, withhold it. So there's $400,000 being held. Obviously, we'd like more withheld. Yeah. Number one, they can't steal our home because it says the only way they can steal your home is if you are 3 years in arrears on your tax bill. Now, your tax bill in this case, say, would be $10,000, but we're only going to pay $9,600 of it. We're going to put the other $400 in escrow, and even if they do charge us interest and it comes 3 years down the road, and so what? All we're going to be doing is paying them back with dollars that have less value. And furthermore, we're going to be playing their game and beat them at their own game because you got to realize it's a game, guys. And we're playing against people that really aren't very intelligent.
Well, this morning, Mike, you called a local talk show here in Keene, and you brought this up, and the city councilors seemed pretty clueless as to what the law was. Of course, how would they know, right? Nobody ever reads this stuff. But she said she was going to check into it. I don't know if you want to trust her word, but you seem pretty certain that if you haven't paid a portion of the taxes, that will prevent them from taking your home, in that you believe that only if you don't pay 100% of the taxes can they take your home. And I hope that's true, because if it is, I think that will be the way you'll get 1,000 people on board with it. And if you can prove that to people beyond a shadow of a doubt, that'll be the way to get people on board with it, because I think it's an exciting idea.
This edition of the Ridley Report is brought to you by FreeStateProject.org/Liberty Forum. FreeStateProject.org/Liberty Forum.